like succulents? Well, I like all plants. It's hereditary. My parents have the greenest thumbs and can grow anything. But succulents are just fun to display. I'm Anna, and that's what I'm doing in this video, repotting and styling succulents in fun ways. And when they're all settled into their new stylish homes, I'm going to share with you the best tip I've ever been given on taking care of these cuties. It's the one thing you need to know to keep them alive. This is a Bath & Body Works candle, and once the candle's burnt down, there's still so much you can do with the glass jar. And right now, I'm going to turn this into a home for this cute little cactus. But the first thing I need to do is pop this into the freezer because frozen wax comes out easier. All the wax is gone and the glass is like super clear. All I need to do now is take off this label. Nice and easy. My plan is to layer this like a trifle. Just I'm not gonna eat it because that's weird. This is what I'm gonna use to layer. I have some gray and white gravel, just from the dollar stores. My first color that I'm gonna lay down is gray. Next, I'm going to plant this little cute guy in. And now, top it off with the white stone. This is what it looks like. And it's adorable just like this. But I want to add one more little detail. I cut out a border using my Cricut. I did chevrons, but you can do anything. You can write little quotes like, please don't die, or someone's name, or happy birthday, or just whatever other little leaves, patterns, pictures, anything you want around the bottom. I just like the simplicity of the chevrons. Now I just have to decide where I'm going to put it. I have this plant and I have this pot, but I don't have any green in my house. So this isn't gonna work here, but I really like the pot. So of course, we have spray paint, right? So I wanna change this, but also I like how these dangle over and I want them to continue to grow. So I want the pot elevated. I did have a really cute idea and I went to Dollarama to go buy the dowels that I need to make like a little stand for this, and Dollarama doesn't carry them anymore. So I have to come up with something different. I'm gonna be thinking for a bit, but I do know I want to spray paint this, and I kind of have a cool color in mind. Oh, I just found out these string of pearls are not considered succulents. They look like succulents, but we're just gonna pretend they still are. I'm still gonna always treat it as a succulent, and it looks really alien. In Ralph's world, any alien looking plant is a succulent. So let's make something really cute with this. Once the green pot was painted black, I could repot the string of pearls into their newly renovated home. The plant's been potted and it looks adorable in its new little home. And so now I can move on to making the riser. This entire project here is dollar store, right down to the glue. I've never used this wood glue from the Dollar Tree, but I'm gonna give it a try. If I have to re-glue things, I'll just use stronger glue. But this might actually work out great, we'll see. So, First thing I need to do is take this apart. Actually, I just went and picked it up today. I didn't pay attention when I was buying it, so I don't really know how it comes apart. It comes apart by just falling apart. It's gonna take some force. Oh gosh.
A few moments later.
It's really in here. So now that I have my frame, I'm going to attach these picket fences. And I believe you can cut them with just scissors. So I'm first going to measure before I cut. Well, my version of measuring. See how easily they cut? It makes this project so much easier. This way you don't have to use power tools. And it can be an indoor project. This is how I'm going to lay them out. I'm just going to put 4 across, like this. But I'm also going to make a lattice by putting probably 3 underneath. So first, let's glue these. I'm going to let this sit for a bit because this glue does not seem like the strongest glue in the world. So before I flip it over and try working on the other side to make the lattice, I'm going to just let it set completely. I might end up needing to re-glue it. The Dollar Tree glue was holding, so I moved on to cutting 3 more pieces of wood to make the lattice design. Again, I used the Dollar Tree glue and eyeballed my measurements. I attached 4 small wooden cubes to each corner as feet. There's nothing complicated with this project. It's just a fun, cute idea, perfect for an afternoon of crafting. Before I move on to painting, a little commentary on this Dollar Tree wood glue. Don't use it. As I was sanding the sides, I popped off 2 of the legs, like one of them I just barely touched it and popped it off, and the other one I just kind of moved the base a little and popped the other one off. So then I just re-glued it with regular wood glue and that's all good. But yeah, not worth the $1.25 or $1.50 or whatever it is now. So I don't know what I'll use it for, but nah, that's a no for me. But what does get a yes for me is this chalk paint. I'm going to paint the whole base simply white. And I've never used this before. Clearly it's a brand new can. Let's shake it. Oh, I did use it. Oh, that would have been a disaster. I would have had paint everywhere. This is 3 coats of paint and 1 coat of wax. It's looking pretty good, and I just want to add 1 coat of this white wax. I don't even know why, but I think it'll just give it a little more texture and maybe a little more protection. Plus, I don't know, I like doing it. So, let's wax on, wax off. I know I'm cheesy, sorry. I ordered this glass terrarium off Amazon. I'll have it linked below. These have a stylish retro look that works well with so many decor styles somehow. You could use the terrarium as is and it looks great. I just wanted to have a little glow-in-the-dark fun. Yeah, you heard correctly, glow-in-the-dark. I'm using glow-in-the-dark vinyl and cutting out phrases with my Cricut. I've had this vinyl for a while and have been looking for a project to use it on. And I think this is perfect. Just a little touch of whimsy without glowing overboard. Yeah, I know, I like puns. I'm ready to weed the phrases and attach them to the glass terrarium. My idea is to attach each phrase to one of the 4 sides here at the bottom. And then if you hang it, you'll be able to see the little words glowing at night. I think that's cute. The Terrarium's all ready. The quotes are on and I've cleaned all the glass with alcohol. So now I'm ready to add a little plant. First, I'm gonna be adding some black little stones on the bottom for drainage. Then my cute little plant. And then some gray decorative stones on top. Let's get started. I forgot to hit record, so I've added the stones and I put in the little plant. I could hang out with plants all day. It doesn't matter whether they're indoor plants or outdoor plants, I just love plants. And that means keeping them alive. And now this is the best indoor plant tip I've ever been given. Don't water your plants, feed them ice cubes. Ice cubes help you from overwatering, which is usually my problem. And the ice slowly melts around the root instead of just rushing to the bottom, causing that soggy bottom. For a plant this size, you need about 3 ice cubes once a week. And you just adjust the amount of ice cubes for the size of your plant. Honestly, this works so well on all indoor plants, especially succulents. Your succulents will thank you. And I thank you for watching this video. And I know that my plants would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It'll give them a little ego boost. Thank you, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye. And they kind of look like peas. I kind of want to pop them all, but no. This is my new friend, and I'm going to be very nice to her. There's something just too adorable about this plant. Hi, baby. I'm gonna have to name you. Maybe I'll just call her Pearl.